In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Facebook Marketplace with a comprehensive step-by-step guide that will help you navigate through the process effortlessly. Our journey begins right on your Facebook homepage. Once you're logged in, your first step is to locate and click on the Marketplace icon. This icon is generally found on the left-hand side of your Facebook dashboard. Clicking on it will transport you to a dynamic digital bazaar filled with a wide array of items from sellers both near and far. Now that we've accessed the marketplace, find the Selling tab. Clicking on it will provide you a dedicated space called your Marketplace profile. Here you can not only view the listings you have up for sale, but also gain insights into your interactions and transactions within the marketplace. On this screen, you can check your ratings and gather feedback. This is crucial for building a reputable seller profile. Another helpful tool here is the Insights feature. Insights allow you to see which of your items are getting the most views and interest, helping you understand buyer behaviors and preferences. Simultaneously, the announcement section keeps you informed of any new updates or messages from Facebook, giving you a seamless selling experience. While in your profile, another section worth checking out is Your Listings. This space is where you manage all your active, expired, and sold items. The seller dashboard provides a snapshot of your selling history, making it easier to track your progress over time. Should you ever need to return to your main marketplace area, a simple click on Go Back will do the trick. Switching hats from seller to buyer is just as straightforward. By clicking on the Buying tab, you'll explore items available for purchase. You can track your followers right here, individuals who might take an interest in your listings. Alerts and notifications in this space ensure you never miss out on important updates or new products available in your area and beyond. To explore even more, use the Browse All option to filter products by category or location, tailoring your buying experience to meet your needs. With the Sort By tool, further refine your search by adjusting for price, distance, or recently added items. If you're inspired to sell, then just click on Create New Listing to begin. If you're keen on a particular product, click it to view more and even message the seller directly with any inquiries. Engaging with sellers is simple, and by checking out the seller details, you can make informed decisions about your purchases. Finally, for those interested in promoting affiliate links on Facebook Marketplace, we'll touch briefly on strategies available to optimize your reach and engagement. Feel free to explore our resources for detailed guidance. So that's it for our comprehensive guide on navigating and utilizing Facebook Marketplace effectively. Whether you're buying, selling, or simply exploring potentials, these steps will empower you to make the most of the vibrant marketplace community. Thank you for watching.